Today I want to show you the edible greens in our front yard. We have about 55 edible plants in our front yard. It's a 3-car space, but we only have 2 cars here, and everything else in the middle and at the sides and wherever else we can squeeze something in is either a pollinator plant or an edible plant. Let's see what we have here. This is one of our beauties, the salad tree. It's very large. We have some more salad trees down here, some smaller varieties. They have yet to grow big, but they will. Then of course we have our sweet potato leaves. If you want a little kick, we have some African blue basil, Moringa, let's come over here. We've got some Egyptian spinach beneath the tomatoes, collard green, grown from seed. There's a purple collard green, some longevity spinach, beautiful cranberry hibiscus, more salad trees. We've got Cuban oregano growing everywhere. Sissoo spinach as well. I think it's also called Brazilian spinach. Regular collard greens. Callaloo. We've got some Okinawa spinach here. Some Insulina. Also an edible green. Roselle Hibiscus. And our Hoan Ngoc, which is a Vietnamese type spinach salad green. We just love this one. And we have mushroom herbs everywhere. I think that was about 17 edible greens just in our front yard. And of course we have all the herbs, peppers, tomatoes, and everything else we got growing. But it doesn't matter how big or small your space is, you can grow a lot of food. It might not seem like we have a lot of food out here, but if you look closer, we come out here and we harvest a bowl full of greens and fruits, tomatoes, peppers, so much food every day. We come in and we make it salads, and we use it for sautés and stews, Indian dishes, Caribbean dishes. It doesn't matter how much space you have, small or big. Just start growing. Figure out what grows well in your area and take over your space. Start growing some green. You will not regret it. And don't worry if something dies. It'll just make you a better gardener. Give it a try again, and you'll have learned some lessons for next time. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and visit us at Tweet Ups for more.